As a mother, you have a gut feeling that something didn't go right during your child's birth, and you think that your child may have been injured in some type of way. You don't want to speak with an attorney right away, but you're wondering, what can you do just in case down the line you may want to speak with an attorney? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today about two things that you can do if you think that your child may have been injured during birth. Now, the first thing I want to talk about quickly is that if you have any type of second guessing, or you're just not really sure, or you don't feel good about your doctor's current diagnosis of your child, remember, it's okay that you can go ahead and get a second opinion. And a second opinion can help you understand, well, okay, is this in line with what the first doctor is telling me, or is the second opinion something that is totally different than what the first doctor is talking about? The second thing that you can do is make sure that you request the medical records from the birth. Not only do you want your records as the mom, but you also want to make sure that you get baby's records also. You're going to have to make this request in writing, and more than likely you're going to have to pay a fee to get these records sent to you. One other thing, when you make this request, be sure to request the copies of the fetal heart strip. What can happen is sometimes in these cases, what the hospitals will do is they will give summaries in 10-minute intervals, for example, of what the fetal heart strip showed. The reason why you don't want this, or the reason why this is not good enough, is because this is based on the interpretation of the medical professionals at the time. You want to be able to have copies of the strips so you can look at them and you can make your own analysis, or you can have your medical expert to take a look at the strips and to make their own analysis as to what was going on. These fetal heart strips are very important because they let you know whether your child was in distress at the time during delivery. And if the child was in distress, and if doctors don't act fast enough, then injury to the child can occur. You can have a lack of oxygen, you can have brain injuries, you can have a whole host of issues that can happen if the child is in distress and doctors do not move quick enough. Now, realize that if you're watching this video right now, more than likely you have more questions, you have more concerns. You want to know if your child's birth-related injury was due to medical malpractice. Well, if you have these questions and concerns and your matter happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, especially regarding childbirth injuries, and we will be glad to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.